Hello, are you Mark? I ordered a taxi to the central station.
Hello. Yes, I am Mark. Please come inside the car.
Thank you. I am very worried about the time today.
I can see that. I will put your suitcase in the back.
It is a blue suitcase. It is not very heavy.
No problem, Anna. Please, sit down and relax.
My train leaves at 10 o'clock. Is that okay?
It is 9:30 now. We have 30 minutes to drive.
The station is quite far from this street.
Yes, but the road is usually fast in the morning.
I really need this train to visit my family.
I understand. Family is very important for everyone.
This car is very comfortable. It is very clean, too.
Thank you. I like to keep my car nice for passengers.
Do you work as a taxi driver every day?
Yes, I work from Monday to Friday. I like driving.
Is it a difficult job in this big city?
Sometimes it is stressful. There are many cars and buses.
I see a lot of people on the street today.
It is a sunny day. People like to walk outside.
I prefer the train because I can read my book.
That is a good idea. What book are you reading?
It is a story about a detective in London.
That sounds interesting. I like stories with mysteries.
We are starting to drive now. Please go quickly.
I am turning onto the main road now.
Oh, look, there are many red lights ahead.
Yes, the traffic is starting to get slow here.
I hope we don't stay here for a long time.
I am looking at the road. Let's stay positive.
Mark, look at my phone. It is 9:35 now.
I see the time. My dashboard clock says the same.
We are not moving. Why are the cars stopping?
There's a big bus in front of us. It is very slow.
I feel very nervous. Can we go faster?
I want to go faster, but I must be safe.
I understand. Safety is the most important thing.
Are you going to visit your parents for the weekend?
Yes, and I am bringing them a special gift.
That is very nice. Is it a secret gift?
It is a new camera for my father. He loves photos.
That is a great present. He will be very happy.
I have my ticket on my phone too. See the QR code?
Yes, digital tickets are very convenient for travel.
I am checking the train schedule again. It is on time.
That is good news. At least the train is not late.
But I am still in this car, and we are slow.
The light is changing to green now. Look.
Finally, we are moving 10 meters.
10 meters is better than nothing, Anna.
The city is very noisy today. I hear many horns.
People are in a hurry on Friday mornings. Do you travel by train every weekend?
No, only once a month. It is a long trip. My parents live in a small town near the mountains.
The mountains are beautiful. The air is very fresh there.
Yes, it is very different from this busy city.
I want to go to the mountains for a holiday too.
You should go. It is very peaceful and quiet.
Maybe next month. Now I must focus on the traffic. This intersection is always very busy at this hour.
There are so many tall buildings here. It is dark.
Yes, the buildings block the sun on this street.
Look, it is starting to rain a little bit.
I see the raindrops on the glass. It is a light rain.
Rain always makes the traffic worse.
You are right. Drivers become very slow in the rain.
My watch says 9:45. I have 15 minutes.
We are still 2 kilometers from the station.
Is there a problem on the bridge today?
I think there is some construction work on the bridge.
That is why all the cars are turning left.
Let's see. I hear an ambulance behind us.
Yes, it is very loud. We must move to the side.
I am moving the car to the right. Everyone is stopping.
Now the road is completely blocked. This is terrible.
It is only for a minute. The ambulance must pass.
I am looking at the station on the map. It is close.
Yes, it is close, but this road is a big problem now.
Mark, can you find a different way to the station?
I am looking at my GPS now. Let's check the options.
Is there a small street we can use?
There is a road behind the old park.
Is that road faster than the main bridge?
Usually it is for local cars only. It is very quiet.
Please take that road. I don't want to wait here.
Okay, I am turning the wheel now. Watch out.
This street is very small. I see many trees.
This is the shortcut. Not many people know it.
I feel a little bit better now. Thank you, Mark.
Look at the screen. The road is blue. That means it is clear.
I see. No more red lines on the map.
We are moving much faster now. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm starting to relax. You are a clever driver.
I know this city like the back of my hand.
How many years are you a taxi driver?
I am a driver for 5 years. I know every shortcut.
That is a long time. You see many things every day.
I see the city change. I see new buildings and shops.
I like this small street. It is very colorful.
These are old houses. Artists live in this area.
I can see paintings in the windows. It is very pretty.
We are passing the park now. The station is very near.
My phone says 9:50. I have 10 minutes.
10 minutes is perfect. You are not late.
I need to find the platform. It is platform number 4.
Platform 4 is near the main entrance. It is easy.
Is there a place to buy a bottle of water?
Yes, there are many small shops inside the station.
I also want to buy a newspaper for the journey.
You have time for that. The station is very organized.
I am checking my suitcase. I have my keys and my wallet.
Good. It is important to have everything ready.
The rain is stopping now. The sun is coming out.
That is a lucky sign for your trip, Anna.
I hope so. I want to have a happy weekend.
The station building is right around the corner.
I can see the big clock now. It is 9:52.
We are almost there. I am slowing down the car.
I am so happy. You are the best driver in the city.
Here is the main square. There are many people here.
Look at the station. It is a very beautiful building.
It is a historical monument. It is very famous.
I am opening my bag to get my money.
The price for the ride is $15 today.
I have a $20 bill. Can you give me change?
Yes, I have $5 in my pocket for you.
Keep the change, Mark. This is a tip for your help.
Thank you, Anna. That is very kind of you.
You saved my trip. I am very grateful to you.
It was my pleasure. I like to help nice passengers.
I am checking my seat. I have my phone and my book.
Do you have your camera gift for your father?
Yes, it is in my small bag. I am holding it tightly.
Good. Don't forget your umbrella on the floor.
Oh, thank you. I almost forgot my favorite umbrella.
It is lucky I checked the back seat.
You are very professional, Mark. You think of everything.
I want my passengers to be happy and safe.
I will call this taxi company again next time.
Please do. You can ask for Mark.
I will remember your name. You are the Shortcut King.
I like that name. It is very funny.
The car is stopping now. I see the entrance.
I will get your suitcase from the back immediately.
I am getting out of the car now. The air is fresh.
Stay here on the sidewalk. I will be 1 second.
I am looking at the clock. It is 9:55.
You have 5 minutes. That is a lot of time.
I am ready to go. My parents are waiting for me.
Here we are, Anna. We are right in front of the main entrance.
Look at the big clock. It is exactly 9:55.
You have 5 minutes before the train leaves.
That is enough time to reach platform 4.
Please wait a second. I will help you with your suitcase.
Thank you, Mark. I am getting out of the car now.
Opening the trunk, here is your blue bag. It is very safe.
You are so fast. I'm very lucky today.
I'm happy to help. Do you have your phone and your ticket?
Yes, I have everything in my small green bag.
And the camera for your father? Is it there too?
Yes, it is here. I'm holding it very carefully.
That is good. It is a very special gift for him.
I am so happy I met you today, Mark.
I am also happy. You are a very kind passenger.
You are the best driver. You know all the secret roads.
It is my job to know this city and help people.
Can I ask for your taxi again when I come back?
Of course. Here is my card with my phone number.
Thank you. I will call you on Sunday afternoon.
I will wait for your call. I am always near the station.
The sun is very bright now. It is a beautiful day.
Yes, it is perfect weather for a trip to the mountains.
I can hear the train whistle. I must go now.
Don't run too fast. The floor inside is a bit wet.
I will be careful. I am waving to you from the door.
I see you. Have a wonderful time with your parents.
Thank you for everything, Mark. You are a true friend.
You are welcome. Enjoy your weekend and the fresh air.
Goodbye, Mark. Have a safe day on the road.